Hello everyone, welcome back. I have the 3 packs that we're going to be opening for today. The first one will be our Lost Origins. Then we will have a Crown Zenith. Really excited about that because we've been having the best luck. And I just recently got the awesome 151. So I'm really excited about these 3 openings. Now, as I struggle to get the view for the packs, go ahead and make sure you like the video and subscribe. It would greatly help me in my journey, and I would really enjoy having y'all as this community grows. So stay tuned and we'll see what kind of pulls we get for this one.
I don't like this, man. I just don't like this at all. This is really shitty. This is like some stinky garbage that you're putting out here. Here we go!
We got 2 awesome pulls from the last 2 packs. Really excited to have these cards. These are some beautiful cards. Now, stay tuned for the next video for the next 3 packs that we will be opening. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you all in the next one.